Hello friends, if you are a YouTube content creator or you want to learn a new video editing software and over time you want to get pro in that, then definitely you can start off with Davinci Resolve. So today let's see how to download Davinci Resolve free version and get it installed in the system. Let's upskill and upgrade. First, let's go to Google search and then type in Davinci Resolve. And in the results page, you can see that Davinci Resolve 20 link is available there under blackmagicdesign.com. Click on that Davinci Resolve 20 link. That will take us to the Davinci Resolve page. This is the overview page. And if we scroll down, on the right hand side we can see the description. And on the left hand side we can see the Davinci Resolve free version and the paid version, that is the studio version. So there are some differences between paid and the free version, like we can have advanced AI features and some pro tools available in the studio version, whereas in the free version itself we can attain those features with some workaround, but it requires some extra tools. So right now let's click on Davinci Resolve free download now link. Now opens the pop-up window where on the left side we can see the Davinci Resolve 20 free version, on the right side again it's the paid version. So under the free version we can see multiple operating system like Mac OS, Linux. So whichever operating system you have, click on that. I am having Windows operating system, so I am clicking on Windows 86. So now opens the page where we need to fill our details. It will ask for our first name, last name, email address, phone number, street and the city. Wherever we see the asterisk symbol, those are the necessary text boxes we need to fill in. And then click on register and download. This will automatically start the download, where on the upper right corner we can see the download is happening. And also you can see that the file size is 2.7 GB. So make sure you have the enough space in the drive before you start download. Now the download is done. Under that we can see open file. On the right side we can see show in folder icon. Click either one of that. That will take us to the download page in the Explorer. We can see that it is a zipped folder, so we need to unzip it. So right click on that folder and click extract all. There you can see it asks for the destination path to extract files. For me, the extract to be done in the downloads page itself. I'll keep the path name as it is. Once you have specified it, then click on extract. Once the extract is completed, go into the folder where you can see the application file of Davinci Resolve. Click on that. That will open the installer window. On the installer window, you can see 5 components. The middle one, the Fairlight Audio Accelerator utility, is unchecked. Keep it as it is. Then make sure that other 4 components are checked. Once it is done, then click on install. Now opens the setup wizard window. Now click on next. Read through the agreement and then check in the box I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on next. Specify the destination folder. I want to keep the destination folder as such in the C drive program files itself. If you are done so, then click on next. Then click on install. Okay, now apart from Visual C++, the Davinci Resolve components are installed. So click on finish. Finally, the Visual C++ gets installed. Once that is done, then the installation complete page will appear. Click on OK. Now go to system search and type in Davinci Resolve, where you can see the Davinci Resolve app. Click on that. It will take us to the intro page of Davinci Resolve 20, where you can see what are the new updates that's been done in the Davinci Resolve 20 compared to the previous version. Click on continue. So this is the quick setup. Instead of skipping it, we need to do a quick setup. Let's do that. Clicking on the quick setup will take us to the page of system check, where it will check for our operating system and graphics card compatibility. If everything is compatible, it will indicate us with the green tick. Click on continue. On the next page, we can see it is asking for the project resolution. For most projects, it is good to have HD 1080 HD itself. In case if you need to have a high resolution, then click on Ultra HD, but this will require more disk memory compared to HD or SD. On the other hand, selecting the SD, that is the standard definition, would not be preferable as the resolution is much lower compared to HD. So I am clicking on HD and I am clicking on 1080 HD and then click on continue. On the next page, it asks for us to specify the path for storing the media location. I am not changing the path here. If you think that you want to change the location, you can browse and you can select the drive you want to store your media. Then click on continue. In the last page, you will see the keyboard layout. So the keyboard layout here, by default, the Davinci Resolve been selected. If you already worked on Pro Tools or Adobe Premiere Pro, you can click on that and click on continue. Here I am going to choose Davinci Resolve itself. Once you made your preference, then click on continue. Now you are all set. So we can click on start. This will open the loading page where all your settings and all your projects gets loaded. Finally, it will take us inside the Davinci Resolve. So today we saw how to download Davinci Resolve and get it installed in the system. In the next video, we'll see the overview of the tabs in the Davinci Resolve. So if you want to know something in particular, please do comment under this video. I'll try to cover up that in the following videos. Also, please share, like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. Cheers.